Yeah, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah,
Good afternoon, sir.
yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah,
Good afternoon, sir.
yeah. Can you discuss this stores or mock exam? Today I shared mock exam. That is last month
Stores, sir.
we discussed it.
Stores. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. Yeah, we'll discuss stores. Right. Tab ఎక్కడుందమ్మా? అక్కడ ఉందండి. తీసుకుంటా. ట్యాబ్ తెచ్చి. Yeah. Is it visible? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Today we'll discuss two stores PPTs is there. It is prepared by the faculty Saranya madam. We'll discuss fast. So very fast. Better. Even messaging
Recording
in
in
the option also
progress.
is not required. It is up to you. Please attend first question. A report by ISA. This is a frequently asking question. Procedural irregularities in the maintenance or management of the stock. The AFA 2024%. It is the narrative report. Suppose any discrepancies in the stock, that is the difference between ledger balance and ground balance, it is the stock sheet. This is a general report. That means suppose the system is not correct, the conditions are not correct, the maintenance system, yes. Stock sheet, it is a difference between ground balance and ledger balance. What is CRAC? Please click. This is also AFA 2024. Yes. Here elimination process will go. Elimination process means please check there is no question of agreement. There is no question of rejected. So what are the other two options? Either A or D. Now we'll check whether A is correct or not. Yes, it is the consigned receipt. Receipt, this is the quantity, this is the quality. Acceptance means yes, it is the acceptance to the quality. So it is the quantity first. First we received acknowledge. This is issued after PRC. PRC means provisional receipt certificate. See, PRC it is the stands for provisional receipt certificate. This is the what is CRAC? Receipt and acceptance, not acknowledgement, not agreement. In case of acknowledgement or acceptance, acknowledgement, agreement, such words are not correct. Like that, rejected, it is not correct. So it is a receipt and acceptance. So it is issued within 10 days of the PRC. So PRC issued, suppose January 1st, it should be issued before January 10th. Otherwise, the system will generate automatically on the 11th of June. 11th of January, the system will automatically generate. This 10 days is very important. and at the same time 72 hours. What is 72 hours? After generation of auto generated, any editing is allowed within 72 hours. After that, no. Yeah, 2 days back, this suspense balances I discussed it. Yeah. Anyone who is confident in all the suspense balance, please raise the hand. Stores, purchase, suspense, int, stock adjustment account, anyone, please quick. Yeah. Sahaniji, please quick. Yeah, are you
Sir.
ready? Yeah.
Sir.
Tell me what is this answer? Debit balance in the purchase suspense means?
Sir, debit balance is, sir, B option. It is bills paid but material not received.
Very good. Then suppose if the question is changed, credit balance, then
Sir, credit balance, it means ki bills, material received but bills not paid.
materials received
But bills not paid.
Yes.
Sir.
If it is a debit, yeah, very good. Debit means this. If it is a credit, this. Okay. Yeah, can you tell other balances also? Tell me
Yes, sir,
sales
sure.
account, sales suspense is always
Sir, always CR balance. Credit balance. Credit
CR
balance.
balance. Very good, very good.
Yes.
Purchase suspense normally
Sir, CR balance.
CR balance. Credit. Please tell me credit
Yes,
or
sir.
debit.
Credit balance. Credit
Yeah,
balance,
credit
sir.
balance. Stock adjustment account.
Stock adjustment account, sir, suspense head is 7180.
Yes.
It is all credit balance, sir.
Is it always debit or always credit?
Sir, always credit balance.
No. It is either
No, sir, I
debit
think
or credit.
debit or credit, sir.
Very good.
Maybe
Yeah,
out.
Sridhar Garu, please tell me.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me Sint account is always?
Sint account is always debit balance, sir.
Always debit balance. Okay, right. Yeah, what about to
Yes,
sales suspense?
Sales suspense, sir. Sales suspense might be credit balance, sir. Credit
Always
balance.
credit. MSC?
Always. MSC always debit balance, sir.
Yeah, what about stores in stock? Main account? Stores in stock.
Oh, that is also debit balance. Debit
Always
balance.
debit balance. Okay. Stock adjustment
Debit
account?
balance. Stock either debit or credit, sir.
Very good, very good. Thank you. See, this is the journal entry. Whenever material received first store suspense is debit, so that's why this is always debit. Purchase suspense is always not always credit, but in case of advance payment it is a reverse. In case of advance payment, see, this is normal transactions. First 1 and 2. In case of advance payment, this will be 1, this will be 2. Simple, reverse. Please remember, this is the store suspense account data to purchase suspense normally. Whenever material received on due basis, then immediately when material is paid, checks and bills is credit, this is a debit. But in case of advance payment it is a reverse. First we issued check. So in this case, whenever the question is asked in case of advance payment, the purchase account is always debit. Here there is no operation of the store suspense. It is at the time of actual material received, the store suspense is reverse. In both the cases, see, the purchase suspense is nullified. The net amount is material is received, checks and bills is left. Okay. See, all expenditure side, any head we are talking about the only debit. That means in case in the exams, if they are given option minus debit, that is also correct. Instead of credit, minus debit is the exact word. Okay. Next. Safety category items vetting of NSNet is not required up to the value. Safety. At the same time, other than safety also please mention. What is other than safety also? Yes, very good. 10 lakhs not required. Other than safety, it is the 2.5 lakhs. 2.5 lakhs. Here not only safety, it is the passenger necessity items also. And another important one is in case of sanctioned works where detailed estimate has been sanctioned, this particular item it is available in the detailed estimate, then the vetting is not required. Because why? Because it is already vetted. The detailed estimate is vetted. Detailed estimate is vetted means the all items are already vetted. So again, separate requisition is not required vetting. Okay, that is the reason. Yeah. Just now discuss it. With the full specification, that is important. Because it is a vague the description, it is not correct. Suppose in the sanctioned estimate, the air conditioner, only it is given air conditioner. No, we should need vetting of air conditioner NSNet. But in case in the detailed estimate, the air conditioner specifications, that means power, the voltage, the capacity, everything it is mentioned, then NSNet vetting is not required. This is very, very important. Full specification is important. Suppose in the absence of this, it is required. Okay. This is 2018. Yeah. Yes, I think we can skip. Yes, 10%. All of you know 2% per week or part of the week. 0.2%. Sorry. 1 minute. Yeah. 0.5%, sorry. 0.5% per week or part of the week. That is important. Okay. Direct acceptance of tenders means what? Without tender committee, place, yes. Quotation basis, yeah. With finance concurrence. Very easy. With the finance concurrence, there is no question. Quotation basis, no question. This is without tender. Tender is there. Tender is there, but tender committee is not there. So tender committee is not there. So here in the other works, earnings, services, it is the up to 50 lakhs can be exercised by all officers. That means senior scale, independent, and JA grade, and selection grade. But here in the stores, it is different. In the works and services, there is no powers for the junior scale. But here, junior scale 5 lakhs, senior scale 10 lakhs, and deputy 50 lakhs. This is maximum. This 50 lakhs is common for all, whether works, earnings, services, stores. Here, how to remember this easily? 5 into 10, 50. Okay. Yeah. Fast. We'll discuss total 2 PPTs, and if possible, we'll discuss one more topic. Today it is 1.5 hours. Yes, railway can enforce. Supplier, no. He cannot ask. And no consent required. And no separate negotiation is required. It is an inbuilt one. This clause, this condition is an inbuilt condition. But recently it is the minus is only it is the plus provision. And 2 years back this minus option also is there. That means after placing the purchase order, the executive feels that 100 numbers is not required, only 70 numbers is sufficient, he can reduce the quantity. But that was a detrimental, or it is a disadvantage to the suppliers. They will not come forward. That is the reason we have removed that minus clause. But it should be implemented only plus 1.5 crores and above only this is applicable. But we can invoke this clause even less than 1.5 crores also. We can invoke this clause less than 1.5 crores also, but we have to take concurrence and we have to take approval. Okay, only increase. Okay, this what are the other conditions? Within the delivery date only, even then the full quantity is supplied. Suppose the PO value is the 100 numbers, the delivery date is the May 31st. 100 numbers are already supplied. But in spite of that, we can ask additional 30 numbers. Up to need not be complete 30. It is a depend on our requirement. We may ask 5 numbers, 10 numbers, 15 numbers, 20 numbers, 25 numbers. Or if in case delivery date is extended, suppose delivery date is the April 30, but they are not delivered. Now we are extended up to June 30. So in the during extension also we can ask. Yeah, now price preference is nil. What is purchase preference? MSC. See, this is a policy. Whereas Make in India is order, executive order, not policy. Yes, it is the 25%. That means if it is out of 100 numbers, at least 25 numbers, yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, okay, yeah. Please check. Out of 25, again 4% is the SCST. And 3% is the women. Women MSMEs, not all. And SCST MSMEs. Okay. Yeah. This is the within the 15%. This 25% also within the 25%. That means the lowest one is the 100. The MSME bidder is the 115. Then we can call. See. Shall get 25% of net procurable quantity subject to matching the order. In case, yeah, this is very important condition. If a form becomes medium, yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, I will do little bit. Please wait. This is a congested. Please wait. Because this is very, very important policy we'll discuss. Yeah. See the points, very, very important one. In case of the lowest tenderer, L1 is non-MSC. then technically suitable, this is important, within the price band of L1 plus 15% shall get orders up to 25% of the procurable quantity. Provided, this is important, MSC should match the L1 price. Suppose if you are paid the 15% extra, it is called price preference. Now the price preference, it is not there, only purchase preference. That means out of 100 numbers, we can procure 25 numbers from the MSC. Okay. Yeah. That means this, if there are more than one MSC, the order will be split among all MSCs falling within the L1 plus 15. For example, here 5 members are there. 5 members are there within the 15% margin. If all 5 members are matched the L1 price, then this 25 numbers will be split among the equally. Will be split among 5 numbers. In case a firm become, because as per policy, please check this MSME. This is micro, small, medium. But all benefits, it is only for micro and small only. Though ministry is called MSME ministry, but the benefits will be accrued and advertised to only micro and small. But here please check. Sometimes because of the investment and turnover, a firm becomes small to medium. It can be promoted. But even then, it can get the benefits of the MSC firms for 3 years. That means it was upgraded to 1/1/2026. It was upgraded from small to medium. In spite of that, it is the next 3 years, 26, 27, 28 calendar, 3 calendar years, it will get the advantages. And out of 25%, 4% is the SC/ST. It is not 4%. It is exact 25 means 4%. Again, it is the 4/100. No, it is only 4. And it is the 3. That means balance 7 means 18%. It is the non-SC/ST, non-women. Okay. Yeah. Here, the total number of out of 358 items exclusively reserved for MSCs. That means we cannot procure other than this one. Yeah, recovery. Yeah, Rajesh, please unmute.
सर
Yeah, tell me.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में अगर if MSc firm is downgrading, the benefit will we get the next financial year. Please
Suppose
input
if it is a downgraded medium to
small, yeah,
small.
micro.
Then
The with a benefit of MSc preference get to next financial year,
not current year.
not current year, sir. Okay,
Very
sir.
good, very good. Thank you. Thank you. One more item is added. Suppose we are talking about this small to medium, will give plus 3 years. But if it is a medium to small downgraded, then it is the 1 year, it is not eligible. Understand? Is it correct?
Yes, next financial year, sir. Just
Yeah, next financial year is not eligible or not eligible.
eligible, sir.
So current financial year not eligible.
No.
That means, yeah. Suppose this is the 2026 May 25th. It was promoted. It was demoted. Medium to small. So
Yes.
current year it is not eligible.
Yes, sir. Next financial year 27.
So 26, 27 not eligible. Benefits 27, 28 onwards it is eligible.
Yes, sir.
That means cushion period is the current financial year. Yeah. Yes, it is already discussed at the rate of 0.5%, 10%. Yeah, already discussed. Yeah. Monetary limit, yes, it is already discussed 50 lakhs. So it is already over. Yeah, yeah, this is
We
also
discuss
already
again.
covered. Yes, this is the L1 plus 15%. Please remember, this is the purchase preference. Purchase preference. Okay, already we discussed it. Okay. ERA. applicable to. Yes, all. It is applicable to stores, works, services, earning, all. There is no exception. Please go through. Now it is not mandated for procurement of engineering products having complexity in the design, and shall not be the preferred mode of the store standards also as per railway board orders. Normally it is the 5 crores and above, this is applicable. So it is not required now, not mandatory. Okay. There shall not be any negotiation after e-reverse auction is closed. No question of negotiation. Yeah. In case of the trades obtained after ERA are unreasonable, no question of negotiation, then the case shall be retendered. For works and services, it is the 50 crores above. This is the stores 5. So remember 10 times stores, it is the works and services 10 times, 50 crores. Accountal, this is important. Accountal of stores. Yes. IMMS. Then tender, that calling tenders. Yes. IREPS. If it is a GEM platform. So what is IPAS? This is the, yeah. See, IMMS, it is the integrated material management system. MMIS is the material, this is the old one. This is upgraded as IMMS. IREPS, it is nothing but, it is the for tendering. See, integrated material management system was developed at the Central Railway in 1998, initially for PCMM office and stores accounts office and other 5 major depots. Since then, after modification and rectification, it is implemented in all depots, divisions and stores all over Indian Railways. So what is IMMS? It is a requisition registration, issue of material and stock verification, depot transfer, transaction entry and dispatch and distribution of material to consignment. Yeah, those who are confident about the sequence of the works portals, please raise the hand. Work side. Some sequence is there, total 4. Yeah, Kanhaiya Singh ji, please. Tell me sequence. Work side, what are the this portals or software application sequence one by one?
IREPS, sir.
IR?
EPS.
No. Yeah, AKPSG?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, what is the first one?
IRPSM,
Exactly. What is full form?
Indian Railway Project Management System.
Project sanction and management. Right.
Sanction
Next
and
one.
IREPS,
Yeah, what is the full form?
Indian Railway E-Procurement System.
So what is this object?
Tendering, sir.
Very good. Next one.
Next one, IRCW, Indian Railway Works. Sanction Management.
Okay.
IR
Next check. Yeah, Rajiv ji.
So IRWCMS or IPAS?
Exactly. IRWCMS. What is full form?
Indian Railway Works Contract Management System.
Very good. What is this object? Execution of the work.
Works.
Yeah, next one.
Integrated payroll and accounting system, IPAS.
Yeah. This is what is the object? Arranging
Bill.
the payments.
Bill.
So please check. This is the conception. Conception means just included in the pink book first. Then the work is started. This is tenders. Selection of the contractor. Then execution of the work. Then passing the bills. So this is the sequence. Okay. Yeah, thank you. What is rejected stores? Yes, very easy. Yeah. Here it is not possible before supply to depose. Question is not arise. Not supplied at all. Not arise. This is the perfect. Okay. This is the S1539. They also called DS, depot stores or dead stock. Something I don't know. DS8. Okay. And yeah, who will tell all the important forms in the stock side, store side? Please pick. What is the form numbers relating to store side? Anyone is there? Yeah, Arilji, please pick.
Sir, S1302 for non-stock, S1313 is
One
for
by
the
one. 1302 is the NSNet. Okay.
Yes, 1313 for the stock item.
Okay, stop. PL number item or stock
Yes.
item. Next.
Yes. And 1830 is for impress, sir.
Very good. Impressed.
And 1539 for DS8, yeah, return to stores.
Very good. These four are important. Yes. 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 Thank you. Yeah. Performance of inventory management is indicated through what is the parameter? Yes. Turnover ratio. Yeah. This is the what is the mnemonic code? CBI. CB divided by I. Closing balance. CB means closing balance. I means issues. Issues. So it is on normally. See, this turnover ratio we can calculate at every month or at any day normally. But here normally we are taking at the end of the year. So 31st March we are taking. Okay. And between the opening balance and closing balance it is nothing but total issues. PL number indicates see number means there is no question of price ledger. Number means it is always price list. Section means price ledger. Section means price ledger. So what is this 8 digit? This is the modulus 11. Last digit is the check digit. And here first 2 digits main group. Next 2 digits is subgroup. The next 3 numbers is the running serial number sequence. Last digit is check digit. This digit is correct or not we are calculate as the modulus 11 method. Yeah, this is a yeah. Price ledger section. This is the section in the stores accounts office attached to the workshop accounts office. This section deals with the all stores requisitions, everything stores matters. Yeah, it is the star. Actually, this is the regular demand. Yes, stock item. But wherever the words used the constant and regular turnover, it is called ordinary stores. Normally these two options will not be there. Yeah. Stock items, all of you know, regular continuous demand and regular consumption, and non-stock items, it is the occasional, not continuous. Okay. Surplus, debt surplus, movable surplus, all of you know very well. Custody stores belongs to. This is a frequently asked question. Yes, consuming department, but kept with the stores depot. Already charged also, but due to inadequate stocking facilities with the user, it is kept in the custody of the stores department. Already we discussed the 8 digits. This is also frequently asked question. Yes, it is the WMS account. Please check, it is the workshop. What is shop floor inventory means? That means material drawn in the workshop but not consumed, not utilized. It is left at the available in the workshop. See, without any consumption is called shop floor inventory. The word correct is shop floor inventory. Inventor, that means it is called user or consignee. Yes, this is the powerful portal, game changer it is called. So the inventor from the field has to place his intent through UDM. User means executive, depot means stores. So it is a link between executive and stores. Okay. So it is S30 that in requisition come issue note, and IMMS is a, yeah. WISE means workshop information system. Yes, please stop. This is the stock sheet. Stock adjustment account, booked. Amount booked to stock adjustment account, but issued on the stock sheet, issued on the storekeeper. Okay, yeah. But accountal point, it is the stock adjustment account. It is normally called P7180. What is P? P means capital. 71 planet. 80 is the subhead. Stock adjustment account. Very important. Yeah. See. It records discrepancies between actual and recorded stock. It is to adjust the stock level where shortage or excess. See, this is very important. Please check. Yeah. Sridhar garu, please take screenshot. Very important. These values.
Taken, sir.
Yeah, thank you. As per MSOP, item number 8D, 3,000 per item. Deputy CMM has powers. Adjustment due to stock verification. And PHOD and HOD 5,000 per item. And other officers DRM 5,000 per item. Okay. What is the rate we are accounted in the depot? See, we purchased, the rate is 100 rupees, the material. At what rate? We will book at the 100 rupees rate or issue rate or book average rate or sale rate. This is very, very important. Yes, book average rate, shortly called book average rate. What is book average rate? For example, we purchased 100 rupees. Next time we purchased 110. That means what is average rate? 105. Average. So average of 2 items. So that means again it is 105. Then again we purchased 115. Then again average 110. So it is average of the previous rate, book average rate. So this is the stores code 210. Average book rate is arrived by dividing the value balance shown in the price ledger by the quantity balance. So the current market rate in the absence of any special notification by the COS, the last purchase price paid for other than petty supplies. Okay. With revised with every yes, whenever material is received, it will be revised. Whenever material is issued, it is not revised. Please check. In that case, every 1 hour, every half day, every 1 day we have to revise. Whenever issued the material, only whenever received. That means yes. That is what is the procedure. Will be modified automatically in the IMMS with every receipt order. Okay. Payment will be made to the firm after generating the receipt note along with the receipt order number only. Suppose here the total value after receiving this item, the total value is the 1 lakh. As on the date, with the new receipt, it is the 1000 numbers. So what is the book average rate? 100 rupees. Suppose after receiving next quantity, the total value it is the 1,20,000, and the quantities again remain same. So for example, 1000, that means 120. So it is dependent on the total value is decreased or increased. To take out the material from the workshop premises, what is the authority is issued? Gate pass. This is the no material may be allowed to go outside the gate unless specified on a gate pass or authority for removal of wagons. That is S1349. Number of men, ticket number, package, voucher. Yes. Most widely used method. Yes, all of you know ABC. Okay. What is the basis for dividing this ABC categories? Yes, it is not sale value, usage value, consumption value. Consumption of the items. What is the normal and most common method? All these methods are, it is existed, but what is the most common method? Yes, e-auction. So it is through IREPS website they may ask. E-auction is conducted through what is the portal IREPS. Okay. This reserve price is fixed by the deputy CMM of the depot, or in case the option is that depot officer, that is the correct. Suppose in case depot officer, deputy CMM headquarters, in that case depot officer is correct. Okay. Yeah. Very good PPT. Yeah, we'll discuss one more PPT. Yeah, please confirm, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll discuss. First question. Yeah, it is a okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, all are admitted. It is not PPT. It is not MCQ model. Can you discuss this PPT?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. MCQ, sir.
In short, exam point of view only.
No.
MCQ, sir.
Okay, we'll discuss fast. Because important points is there.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Then we'll discuss any MCQ. Fast, we'll just check. Yeah. See, this UDM is developed by CRIS as per mandate from Railway Board. This is the object concerning end, that is a computerized material management. As of now, we have IMMS is there. This is for internal, and IREPS is calling tender. But now it is they want to develop from concerning end, executive end. So that's why it is called user linking with the depot, and it is fully integrated with IMMS and IREPS. This is GEM. Yeah. What is GEM? Yes. This is the website. We can avail this goods contracts, service contracts, earning contracts. Okay. It is the end-to-end solution. Modes of purchase, all of you know, direct purchase. This is up to 50,000. This is the 10 lakhs. And this is a more than 10 lakhs. 50,000, 10 lakhs, more than 10 lakhs. Yeah, vendor approving agency also is important. Odd one it is asking. So it is the RDSO is the civil S&T traction wagon MNC, no idea, air brake. DLW, all diesel loco items, it is the DLW Varanasi, except common and high technology items of the RDSO. Okay, and CLW, it is a electric loco items, except common and high technology. See, wherever common items and high technology, it is only reserved to RDSO. Okay, and ICF, please check EMU and non-LHP, because LHP is the RCF, Rail Coach Factory, Kapurthala. Okay, and except brake system, and this MCF also LHP coach items. Here there is no exception. Okay, so that means diesel means you remember DLW, electric means it is CLW, EMU or non-LHP ICF Chennai, non-LHP, and LHP means it is the RCF and MCF. All others it is the next, it is the RDS. What is benefits to the MSC? Yes, payment of EMD if registered as micro or small. See, if the firm become MSC, it is the 3 years will be continuous benefits is there from the date of upgradation. Okay, and as Rajivji is told, medium to small, this current year it is also continue. Current year it is not eligible. Yeah, from next year it is eligible. Okay. This is already discussed. L1 plus 15, 25%. Yeah. Here it is S 4% is the SC/ST, 3% is MSC, 350 items is reserved. Yeah. Benefits given to all eligible MSCs irrespective of relevance of the product category. This is the Make in India policy 2017. Please check. This is the order. This is the order. Whereas MSME is the policy. Because this MSME, it is the enacted in the parliament, but there is no link with this parliament. This is the executive order. Executive order, public procurement preference to Make in India order 2017. So what is the background? It is a first initiated by the DPIIT, that is the GFR rule number 153, amended from time to time to promote manufacturing and production of goods and services. They are encouraging in the Make in India. Here this is a very important class 1, class 2, class 3. Class 1 is the minimum 50% local content. Class 2 is the minimum 20%. And less than 20% it is the non-local suppliers. Non-local suppliers. Okay. Here it is a not divisible. Yeah. One minute. Yeah, if L1 qualify for the at least 50% award to all qualified bidders as per the stipulated award. If L1 supply do not qualify the award of at least 50%, then preference will be given to class 1 within the quotation falling in the margin of purchase preference, so that class 1 will be awarded 50%. Yeah. Yeah, this is the very important unified vendor approved module. Already I shared this write-up. For item based vendor approval, now it is online. Yes, it is the stock verification. Yeah, these items, please take screenshot. I'll share the write-up. Wilson Garu.
I can, sir.
Yeah, thank you. See, impressed holders, it is the 2 years. Material at site, it is the once in a year. To TNP, 3 years. APC is very important. 6, 12, 24 months. 6, this is 6, this is 12, this is 24. Double. So if you remember, A is 6 months, then B is double, that means 12 months. C is 12 into 2, 24 months. Okay. D value, it is the, that is all items that no issue for 12 months, that is inactive, once in a year. And miscellaneous, that is the custody stores, all it is a 3 years. So almost all 3 years, please check. This TNP, this miscellaneous items, inventory in the workshops, and MNP, almost all are 3 years, 3 years, 3 years, except this impressed holders, it is 2 years. And work charge stores, charge of stores, material at site, year. So remember 3 is very important, and remember ABC 6, 12, 24. 6, 12, 24 months. This is vendor registration. It is the in ICF. Okay, we'll discuss one more item. Yeah, Sridhar garu.
Sir,
So far that PPT is visible or not visible?
visible.
Okay,
Visible, sir.
okay.
Even I have taken the screenshot also.
Yeah,
Visible.
exactly. I forgot. Okay, right. Yeah, another 20 minutes is there. One small PPT will discuss. 1 minute. Yeah, one gem also we'll discuss fast. Yeah, please confirm.
Visible, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Please attempt. Gem, very easy. Please stop. It is the government e-marketplace. Already we discussed it. It is special purpose vehicle, section 8 company. GFR 149 is mandatory for purchasing items available in the GEM through GEM only. Yeah, under administrative control. Yes, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. It was initiative launched on the 9th August 2016 by Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Yes. Entities that cannot purchase, that cannot. Yes, it is the general public. Okay. Yes. See, it is applicable to central, state, even local bodies also. The autonomous institutions also. Okay. In Panchayat Raj institutions also it is eligible. District bodies. Yes. GTC. Yeah, it is not government. Yeah, not contract. Yes, it is the general terms and conditions. So at the same time, what is ATC? Additional terms and condition. STC means special terms and conditions. For services, it is the service level agreement is there. A standard agreement. Okay. CRAC already we discussed. Consignee receipt and acceptance certificate. See here, this is the very important. Penal interest, if they are not paid within 10 days of the CRAC, from 11th day onwards, 1% per month on pro rata basis. PFMS is very important. It is a previous year question. Yes. See, here you can guess one thing. It is just a tip. Wherever these three options, public finance is there. That means definitely this is a incorrect. 100% it is incorrect. Because the examiner wants to test the confusing in these three. Then you have to check what is the next one. Next one, software, it is a incorrect. So normally it is system. Or if you check material is incorrect. So these two, now it is a fighting between A and C. So finally this system is correct. So like this also you can guess, but it is a little bit risky. Take it your, it is up to you. Okay. So this is implemented by CGA, Department of Expenditure, Ministry of Finance. Object is tracking funds and interface with the National Payment Corporation of India. What is GEMR and PTS? Yes, Sridhar garu, alert me 15:55, 3:55.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. It is the GEM availability report on past transaction summary. So it is automated. Automated is incorrect. That means here please check. B and C first automated, A and C is availability. So availability report is important. All report is common. Please check. Here past transaction, previous it is incorrect. So previous is incorrect. So we have to finally past transaction summary. Okay. Yeah. What is incorrect one? That means if you are confident about knowing entire CRESC, you can easily find out what is incorrect. Okay, we'll check one by one. Yes. CRESC means, yes, already we discussed it, receipt and acceptance certificate. It is issued within 10 days of PRC. Yes, this is also correct. On 11th day, the system will generate auto CRESC. Yes, this is also 72 hours is correct. Then the problem lies with the C. Then please check. This is the provisional, not payment receipt certificate. Provisional receipt certificate. Okay. So this is issued within 48 hours of the receipt on STC. That means if it is delivered on the set to contain basis, that means the material is handing out to the supplier, this transporter. From the 48 hours, we can issue PRC, provisional receipt certificate. The term used for bill of lading to indicate the carrier has not physically verified the contents. That means it is not possible to check the contents. Set to contain. Yes. What is guarantee period? If it is specified, it is okay. Otherwise, by default, yes, by default it is a 1 year. By default, it is a 1 year from the date of final acceptance by the consignee. And if at all any mistake are found defective, the buyer has to lift within 7 days. And the consignee has to reject the items within 10 days of the receipt. Within 10 days. He cannot reject after 10 days. Okay. If goods are rejected, then seller has to lift them within 10 days. See, this 10 and 10 is important. He has to reject within 10 days. From the date of rejection, he has to lift within 10 days. This is a rejection. But in case of defect, after using, if you find any defective during the warranty period, then 7 days. That means at the time of receipt it is 10 days. During the usage, if found defective, 7 days. Okay. Yeah. In either case, if the buyer has not lifted, if the seller has not lifted the goods, we can dispose as we deem fit. Caution deposit, because to register under JAG is like a EMD. EMD or security deposit like. That means if any conditions are breached, we can forfeit this one. Yeah. So this is the, yes, 25,000 is correct. Which one is it correct? Yes. Up to 1 crore 5,000, 1 crore to 10 crores 10,000, and 10 crores and about 25,000. Okay. Yeah, please check. 5, 10, 25. It is a one-time amount as caution money. The suppliers has to pay transaction charges also. The transaction charges up to 10 lakhs nil charges. 10 lakhs to 10 crores 0.3%. Okay. About 10 crores it is the flat 3 lakhs. This transaction charges, it is a fortifying this GEM SPV. It is goes to GEM SPV. Okay. Yeah. And that means please remember this is a very important caution deposit. Yeah. Sridhar gar, take this also screenshot. Caution, okay, money deposit and usage charge. All three are very important.
Taken, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Annual milestone charges also is there. It is a one-time 0.5% charge when the seller merchandise value reaches 20 lakhs in a financial year. This is a one-time 0.5% charge. and seller has to offer minimum 10% discount on MRP. But this COVID related items, this MRP 10% discount is not applicable. Okay. EMD on the jump, what is the incorrect one? Yes, it is the ranging between 0.5% to 5%, submitted through bank guarantee. Hard copy is submitted within 5 days, not 7 days. Validity of EMD should be beyond 45 days of the offer validity. There shall be no bid security or bids or less than 5 lakhs, no bid security. But above 5 lakhs, it is the 1% of the estimated value or percentage mentioned in the bid document, which is between 0.5 to 5%. That means by default it is a 1%. Otherwise, we may mention it is a range between 0.5 to 5%. Okay. So the scanned copy should be immediately online uploaded. The hard copy should be within 5 days of the bid opening. Okay. It is the valid between 45 days. Performance bank guarantee. Just now we discussed EMD, then what about performance security? Yes. 1 to 4 is correct. So this is incorrect. We'll check. This is valid for 2 months beyond the date of completion of all contractual obligations, not 30 days. Okay. This is 3 to 5%. No performance under direct purchase under L1. Only it is the E reverse auction, only it is there. Within 15 days of the award of contract, it should be submitted. Yeah. Refund also, if all contractual obligations is completed within 30 days, it should be refunded. Okay. Any obligations is not fulfilled, we can forfeit either completely or part. This is very important. Automobiles unlimited. Okay. Anything. Yeah, this is the section 8 company under Ministry of Commerce. Okay. No profit obligation. Yeah, it is already discussed 10%. Minimum, that means maximum any discounting is offered, but it is exception is COVID related items. No. Yeah. It is very easy. 149. Yes. Yes, it is the mandatory for the. Yes. Now it is a removed this. It is 10 lakhs. Yes, it is already discussed. Private farms, it is not eligible. Private farms, citizen of India, not eligible. GMV, it is nothing but total turnover value. Total turnover value. So it is a gross merchandise value. Gross merchandise value. That value of goods sold. Simple. Multiply number of goods with the price. Yeah, already discussed. This is with the L1, it is the 50 to 10 lakhs. Okay, it is already discussed. Yeah, we will create GEM user ID. Yeah, it is the PCMM office. Okay. These are the required .gov.in email ID, Aadhaar number, Aadhaar linked cell number. Yes. Yes. Within how many days? In previous slide we discussed. Yes. Within 15 days. And refund is 30 days. Please remember 15 and 30. Yeah. This is the buyer registration. It is the primary user and secondary user also is there. Yeah.
Sir, it's 355. sir.
Exactly 55, sir.
Yeah, we can wind up. Yeah, I think it is better. We'll go directly 8 p.m. session. Na?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And tomorrow it is a traffic related. Tomorrow it is a freight incentive schemes. What are the latest developments by the incumbent deputy FNSO traffic? Okay.
Sir,
And
what is
today-
the
important
liquidated
MCQ
damage
practice,
for
sir.
the works, sir? Like
Pardon?
stores, what is the liquidated damages for works? Like stores, you have told na maximum 10%, 0.5% per week, sir. What is the liquidated damages for works, sir?
Works also, I think same. Anyone is there?
No, sir. 5%.
Yeah, that means liquidate damage is 5% and penalties is 5%. See, maximum penalty is 5%, maximum LD is 5%. What's the pro rata? That is also 0.5%.
0.05%, sir.
Point
the important MCQ practice, sir. There are 3 variants, sir. 0.05, 0.5, then after 0.005.
Sir, hello.
Yes, that is a token LD.